Hello there and welcome to the Engrade tutorial. So this tutorial will show you how to enter student names, student IDs, create assignments, and assign category weights to each assignment. So in order to start this tutorial, you should have logged into Engrade already and also downloaded the sample class grade report from the Google document. So once you have that, you're ready to get started. So on my main page, I want to hit create new class. So I want to give the class a class name. So I'm going to say sample class. You pick the school period, the grading period, grade level, so we'll just say other, and subject area, so we'll say foreign language, so for the ESL studies. Then you want to click next. Alright, so this is some information for the grading scale. I don't know if your school uses that or not. So under assignment categories, we want to hit use assignment categories. We want to hit yes. So for this grading sheet, we only have two main categories. So we have quizzes and writing exams. So the quizzes are going to be worth 30% of the final grade, and writing exams, so we have a midterm and a final, and they're worth 70% of the final grade. So you just want to enter those in. Here we have quizzes, and we'll say next one is mid-term exam and the final exam. And we want to weight assignment categories, so we turn that on to push yes. So the quizzes, like we said, is 30% of the final grade. Midterm exam, 35%, and final exam will be 35%. So this will vary depending on what your assignments are for your individual class, but this is just what we'll use for the Excel sheet. So after you've done that, just push next. And now we're ready to enter the class student list. Alright, so I don't have George Washington or John Adams, I can delete them. And I'm going to go to the Excel sheet and just copy and paste the student name and the ID numbers. Once you have that, just Control C or copy and go back to your Engrade and paste that into there. Right, so once I have that, I can just push next. And here we have the student name with their ID numbers. So the next thing I want to do is create my first assignment. So just go ahead and click new assignment. Assignment name, we'll say quiz number 1. Points possible. So each quiz was out of 12 possible points. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in here. 12. Due date, category quizzes, that's right. And then I just start entering the different scores for each student. So if I look here, Alexander had a 12, Annabella had a 12, Ariana had a 12, and Chloe had a 12. So I'll put the first 4. 12, 12, 12, and Elizabeth 10, Evan 11, and George 10. So 10, 11, 10. And 10. So we'll just go ahead and hit submit on that. You actually had all the grades, and you'll see we have our first grades calculated here based on the weight. So Alexander's got 100% so far, and Elizabeth 83, Evan 92, and what's actually cool about this program is the students can log on and see their grade instantaneously, as well as the parents. You can keep them informed. You can keep them. You can give them passwords as well and email addresses, and they can check on their students' progress throughout the semester. So we're using it for an end of semester grading sheet, but you can actually use it all throughout your class, so your students and your parents can check on the grading and be informed of everything. So for this assignment, you just want to go ahead and enter all the quizzes here and final exam and midterm exam grade to calculate the final score for each student. Thank you and good luck on the assignment.